Fridge freezer. This is another American fire fridge freezer. This is the fridge side. As you can see here, there's a small scratches here. They're not very deep. Same on the freezer door as well. The rest is clean. This one comes with the 3 months warranty. As you can see, I'll show you the side of the freezer. Left side. It's quite nice, clean. This one is. And this is the freezer from inside. Quite spacious, this one is. This is the fridge side. All the shelves are there. Eco Plus. And this is the right side. Again, this side is clean as well. Nothing at all. As you can see here on the corner, there's a small chip.